So guys, first method, come to msi.com, this officially website, so you can download the MSI devices driver. After that you can see this is search icon and just enter the model number of your laptop, okay, and then click to hit enter. Scroll down, this is your laptop, just click on it and after that click on support. Scroll down, select the first, okay, and just select. So you can see this is first and second, so this is model difference but driver same, and driver download and driver installations process same, okay. Select the driver and download, then click to BIOS and select the driver, then scroll down. By default select the Windows 11, so this is only support the Windows 11 operating system, this laptop. Then you can see the Bluetooth, touchpad, this is management engine, wireless LAN, Wi-Fi driver, car reader driver, LAN driver, audio driver, graphic driver, camera driver, chipset driver, and all are there, okay. And select touchpad, this is the touchpad driver, just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see in the download box if you are using Chrome browser, so just complete it, then click to open. After it, open the 30 this folder, and then this is driver setup, just single click to open and then click to yes, okay. So it's not support, you just click to next, you can see here, and it will installed, and after that restart your system. Thank you. And if you are facing some issues, so just comment me, I will support you.